Hey guys, this is Moller from Moller Smokers, and today we're gonna put this trailer together. Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Moller Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered. Episode 20, guys. We've got the trailer ready. We got the cranes hooked up. We're about to make this happen. Stay tuned. We're in the air, guys. It's a flying smoker. Alright, guys. It's rolling. We got it on. It's looking good. Well, yesterday we bolted everything to the frame. And I installed the counterweights again with a thicker cable this time. I had one fell on my leg, so my leg is crooked now. And right now I'm putting the mesh on the grates. I still got a bit of work to finish that. And my dad is coming now to wire all the electrical on the trailer. We checked the weights and the trailer balance looks good. So this thing should be finished in no time. Alright, guys, all the electrical work has been properly wired. I fixed the counterweights. I've added this leather so it doesn't make noise. These locking nuts for travel. I've finally finished all the grades, both main and top racks, and I've built the long-awaited firebox door. Alright, guys, the wood basket is done, and the cooler platform, they're both bolted on in case they need to be removed or switched for a grill or anything else in the future. And right now the only thing I got left to do is finish this goddamn firebox door. Alright, guys, I just finished putting the latch on. Still gotta tweak the stops for it, but the door is done. Took a while to fit, was a bit tricky. That's it for today, folks. On the next episode, we'll clean it up and fire it up and see how it runs. I hope it runs as well as it looks. I want to take a second to thank you all, guys. This is episode 20. I didn't think I would make it this far, so thanks for following. And you know the drill. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, leave a comment, or ask any questions you want. See you on the next one.